Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News, where we trade different. Today is December the 8th, 2020, and we are going to update you all on Tezos. It's been a while since we did our last video in Tezos, and let me go ahead and show you what the trap did since our video. So we anticipated him to move the market higher. He went right there according to what we expected. Now, before we dive into that and then give you all the update on what we're noticing on the charts, make sure you guys appreciate our videos. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell notification as well. Become notified of whenever we upload our videos to this particular platform so you do not miss out and you can get ahead of everyone else. Now, Tezos. I think the last time we did our video on Tezos was on November the 17th. You guys can see right here, we played some market strength in Tezos, and the market actually topped out of our forecast on the 21st of November. So about 3 days, 10.97% was made. That's simple. Now, if you was able to time the ultimate top into the market of Tezos, which came through on the 25th, 39.6%. Simple. This is how you trade. You get in position and capitalize on the market moves. So congratulations on those who were able to get that 39% profit out the market. Ultimate TP on our forecast was around 11. Either way, profitability is being made. Now that's over. That's done with. And let's try to anticipate what the trap has in store going forward. Okay? Because we need to monitor what he does, because he's the actual criminal. He's the one that is laying down the traps to take our money from us. So we need to make sure that we maneuver out of the way and get in position so we can take it right back. So let me zoom out real quick. You can see that Tezos, when you look at it, it's in a very slight uptrend. That's it. So let me show you this real quick. So when you look at the market in Tezos, this is the trend, right? We had a small area to where the market dipped below the ascending trend, but this is actually the long-term view of Tezos. Okay. So when you look at the market from this perspective, Tezos is still the buy for the long term. Now, take a look at this. Okay, the market in Tezos currently is trading about 15% away from that overall trend, right? Now, I want you to see that comparative to where the market in Tezos was trading back in August from that trend, which is about 62% away. So you all can see how massive of a difference the market trades from the overall trend. You need to pay attention to those type of things, because this market was definitely overextended back in August. Now we're coming back closer to an area of realization, period. All right. So 15% versus 62%. You tell me which one's the best option to try to come into the market and shop. Right? But it doesn't mean that Tezos will maintain that ascending line. So let's take a look at the market real quick in Tezos on the 3-day time frame. I want to see if we're still seeing some strength into the market, because overall, I'm not seeing a lot of strength in this particular market so far. You know, the trap is instilling to us that he's not that bullish. He's not feeling strong at the moment. There are some areas of restriction that he has been unsuccessful at breaking above. And these are the areas, $2.60 and $2.40, $2.40. We needed to see him break those areas to the upside for us to really see the momentum into this market. And we're not showing that just yet. Now on the 5-day time frame, I'm getting the same type of ideas. You know, there's no demand coming to the market in Tezos as of this particular moment. But I will say that it's not all that weak neither. Okay. So it's kind of mixed. The weekly time frame in Tezos, the weakness is still here too. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely seeing more weakness in the market than I am seeing the strength. So until we see this market actually break 240 and 260, the expectation is going to be for us to come lower and come and try to see if the trap can hold this $2 area, which is right in the vicinity of the overall trend. What a coincidence, right? Monthly time frame. Again, focus needs to be on 240, 260, and $2. Those are the three price levels we all need to pay attention to, dependent on your interest of where Tezos is going. Okay, if we see the trap break that price above 240, 260, we'll know that the market is anticipated to go higher. If we see the trap come in and show us strength around $2, we know the market is bouncing off that long-term ascending line, and the market is going to try to go higher in price from there. That's it. Why would anyone else make it more difficult than that? Once you understand the language of the markets, you can actually dispel a lot of the technical jargon that is out in this space, all without being confused. So I think you know what our expectations are going to be for Tezos. Yes, we're going to expect some weakness to come out into Tezos for the moment. So that is going to be our forecast. Now, I already told you that the market is not all that weak. You know, I can actually see how the trap wants to hold $2.20, but I'm going to bring it down a little bit closer towards $2. Okay. Now, I'm not really feeling all that bullish until I see price come back up and break above 240 to 260. Okay. So ultimately, I'm going to put the restriction around 260, but 240 is definitely an area of restriction as well too. Okay. So this is our expectations going forward into the market for Tezos. As always, I want to give you all the opportunity to tell me, what do you think? What do you see in Tezos? Are we going to go higher or lower? And if so, where would you take profit? Where would you take the bag from the trap? Let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.